You recording?
Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Just like roll. Should I roll?
Whatever you want. Oh, Vape from north. Vape from north. Oh, you got. Wait. Stop. Slow down. You got some shit on your back. Got it. Yeah, I got you. Vape Lord North's assistant's got to do the dirty work. Got to do that dirty work. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. See, we're going over to the basketball courts now.
Look at the dad. That's a dad.
And we're turning around. Vape Lord Nord trying to get the attention of some ongoers playing basketball. He failed, like always, because he fucking sucks.
Oh yeah. Let's on the other side of the.
I heard Vape Lord Nord has some nice pets. I think they're the reason. Oh, that's Skirt and Ta. See, he's a beautiful, magnificent creature. Nah, I don't know what the fuck that is. But him, the big boy. Look at him. Look how feisty he is. Heath. Oh wow, that gives me. Look at that tail. To record the death of ImmortalLefty. Let's go.
Oh, look at this. Fuck that, you're moving.
Alright, I'm recording the death of ImmortalLefty right now. Alright, as we're trying to get down to the roof, we did not plan this. You got fucking beamed.
Yo.
Okay.
I just fall right through. Yo.
Go, you're good.
Guys, I'm doing it. Phase up. Oh, I'm actually doing it.
Yeah, you're good. Stop being a bitch. Just go on. Alright, you're fine.
Fuck up.
You're fine. It has appeared Vape Lord Nord has found a spider web. Him being the bitch he is,
My weapon.
has grabbed his weapon of choice. It's just a fucking, there's not even a spider. It's just a spider web. Oh, he's about to vape at it. Oh.
My secret weapon, hold up.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's go. Oh.
Fuck out of here.
It seems Vape Lord Nord has not done jack to the fucking cobweb.
No!
We're playing a game. Will it hold? Vape Lord Nord is risking his life for the YouTube monies.
Monkey bars or...
Lit as fuck. Go.
No, they're like curved.
Do it, pussy.
Do it with the fans. How the fuck are we supposed to get up here now?
Climb it.
Fuck you, man. I'm going dogs.
Exactly, bitch. Can't do shit. I think it's good enough for now. Okay, get up the phase up in here. Okay, let's go.